I think I'm gonna make one chopped salad, Japanese style. Lettuce, spinach. I think I wanna chop a little bit, no super chop. This is a ready to eat pack, so I don't have to wash. I have a proper excuse. And I always like something colorful thing. We need onion sliced. This bringing so much different, depth of the flavor. So even you don't like the onion, this is a kind of seasoning, same as a garlic. Little bit of the apple. Do you think this is that Japanese food? Right? I'm gonna use some Japanese dressing. Let's make dressing in this empty bottle. It used to be like some, spices are here. Always I save those kind of bottle. And 1/3 of the soy. And this is golden ratio. 1/3 of the sushi vinegar, which is a sweetened vinegar. And 1/3 of the sesame oil. I hope you can see the something, separation of the oil. Anyway, we're gonna mix. Put in there. So, when you go to the potluck, you can bring this one, this dressing, and adding to the salad. This is insanely yummy and no mistake. One bag of the salad, and you can make this one, and you can bring it over to a friend's house for the potluck. It's really great. It's easy, right? I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.